What the? Who are they? There's my Z. It's been stolen, man. It's been thieved. Huh? What?
You're tripping.
I don't think I'm tripping.
Most likely are.
I don't think I am. You don't hear the clunking noise?
What do you think? Barely. I think it's that fucking thing hanging off the bumper hit the ground.
No. That thing just makes like a ching ching
Yeah,
ching.
dude, that's all we heard.
That's all we heard was that, and your e-brake doesn't work.
Yeah, maybe brake doesn't work now. You gotta pull it up.
That was about it.
And we heard the squeaky.
That's from front left.
Front left.
Probably pad.
I think the coilovers, no offense to Max Beauty Brands, everyone knows this, they're not very good. So we're gonna, when we get on the lift, we'll tell you everything again.
Okay.
This thing weighs 8, you're good.
Anyway, boys, look at this. This is low car problems. And I'm not even that low. Like, imagine if we had Zach's GTI in here. Well, his old GTI in here.
Don't even talk about that.
Chris, want to grab me a piece of wood?
Yeah, but I don't even think
Don't
it'll
even
be
talk
able
about
to,
that car, Mark.
I don't think it'll be able to lift it up high enough.
Yeah, well.
It will.
Okay. Now this is the best way I found. Last time we tried doing it with all 4 tires with wood, and it just slipped out and almost ran over my foot. So
it ran over your foot.
and so we need to, this is the best way. You get it lifted up on the back, then you put some good old fashioned jack, and you jack off.
The gym.
Anyway, over here, first of all, this thing always hits the ground, so I really want to clip it back in there, but
Just cut it.
I don't have a clip. I don't rip my. Oh, Chris!
You need that?
Chris has broke my
Mark,
car.
what?
I need your insurance information.
Oh, it's going
Oh,
on
you
this
broke
side.
that one. That one was clipped. That one was clipped in.
No, it's not. You
Yes,
want me to
it
rip it?
Yeah. Look at that.
Oh,
All right.
it's the plate.
Now
Cut the
it's
plate off.
now it's 10 times better. That was hitting the ground every time you went over a bump, and it would just make a loud noise.
There you go. Wait, are they scraped up a little bit on the bottom?
Yeah. You can see it.
And Zach over here is we're taking this thing off. This rattles whenever you hit the
Do we
subframe.
even need that, honestly?
No.
No,
It's like the lowest part of the car.
just keep it off.
And it, bung, 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 bung. Yeah, but I'm worried about this hose catching.
Yeah, we're gonna figure something out.
You just wire tuck it. Cause I work.
We are literally.
We work for wiring specialty. We're the
figure it out.
We're the figure it outers.
All right, well that's off then.
We're the finger outers. Wait, where are your? Oh my! Where are your cats, Mark?
I don't got no cats.
Wow.
Don't call the authorities.
You call them the EPA.
Don't call the EPA, please.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it's gonna be.
I don't
tough.
even see bolts on half of these
This is
things.
the project, ladies and gentlemen, right here.
How are we even gonna get to those? Oh wait, right here, Zach. Look at that.
These bolts off. And we gotta get those 3 off up there. It's gonna be fun.
We could use the friggin' gun thing.
All right, so we got the first one out, and now I'm just gonna drive it like this.
Take me to ready, set, lock city.
Zach's oh Zach, you got a little, you cut up there or something? What's on your hand, brother?
Yeah.
This is rust.
Oh, it's crack, Mark.
Anyway, so
I think it's a 14 or 13.
is this even have an O2 sensor in it?
Yeah, it's in the bottom.
Oh, okay.
It's on the inside of it.
Okay. Anyway,
Grab me a 13.
the way Zach did it, I forgot to film, but he put a breaker bar on this side.
Wait, are you talking
because
about
we
for
already
that?
broke off this side, and then he just took it off. It was literally like, I mean, it seemed like it was pretty easy. He just took it off and it was like done in seconds.
I need that 13.
These are like my
these bolts up here.
These
Why
two
are we
guys
going
over
to
here are
that?
like my workhorses.
Yeah, we're
Every time I need something done, I'm like, hey, you guys got a day off? And they come down here and I sit here and film them doing work. And oh my god, that is not PG at all, Chris. Tougher.
Don't show my mom.
Christopher Sin.
Johnny Sins.
Are you? Oh my goodness.
Johnny Sims.
Johnny Sims.
Yo, Marcus.
Yo. All right, Chris is going in.
I don't like this.
Zach's hiding behind the.
I'm not.
It's scary, dude.
This thing is terrifying.
You're suspended. You have a mask on, my guy.
Okay.
Yeah, but it can
doesn't
still-
defeat the fact of the fucking fear.
Dude, careful, Chris.
No. I'm all set with this thing. Get that sawzall running. That thing is terrifying. Who wants to use this thing? thing to astronaut in the ocean.
It's working, boys, but very, very slowly.
They didn't want to freaking do it, so I had to boss up and do it myself.
Never cut.
Zach's the boss,
I
baby.
always cut.
No, you don't.
Wait, hold on. Before you go any further, I have an idea.
What's your idea?
All right, so these ones up here are just becoming more and more difficult. So we're taking a break, right? It's not something to do with Max. So taking a break. We got this food here. Look at that. Ooh, Chris, that looks delicioso, bud. How is it? Oh, okay. Oh. That is delicioso. Damn. I got myself a bird that's really greasy. Mozzarella sticks and mac and cheese bites. Zach got the exact same thing I did, except no mozzarella sticks. We're grubbing, boys. We're going. Let me tell you, this is amazing. Lates. Alright, so the last time you guys saw us, we had the bottom two out, and we were taking a break and eating our lunch because we couldn't get the top two out, or top three.
Wait.
Well, now we just broke off the downpipe. We broke the downpipe off, as you can see right there. The flange is on that side. That's because the flange is here.
The flange is here.
How are we gonna get that top? You're breaking it though. You're breaking it like right here. If you can, but that's not gonna do anything actually.
I'm gonna try and cut up there.
So this is the project we're on now. We're trying to get this flange out. Oh god.
It's not ending well.
It is. It's very difficult. So safe to say we're having a bit of. Oh my god. Safe to say we're having a bit of troubles.
Cut this down.
Pretty soon though, she should be out. Putting it back in is gonna be like literally the easiest thing ever. But
famous last words.
It will be. We just gotta put them.
Tell that to the other parts.
Oh my god. We just gotta find out a way to get that out now, boys. So close. What do you think you're doing?
Hey, I stole his camera, guys.
I heard the beep.
Well, I'm following up with everybody. Oh, cause so here's the Z. We're doing pretty good on it. I mean, we're gonna finish tomorrow, but where is it? That's what we got left.
Don't that
damn canoodler valve stuck in the end.
We're not swearing, guys. PG channel.
Can't swear.
But did you show them the downpipe?
No.
The downpipe like broke off, and that's the last thing. Like sorry, I wouldn't be a cameraman. I'm really bad at this, guys. But
hello, ladies and gentlemen. All right, it's day 2 of taking my downpipe off. We're back with Chris and Zach. Zach just hit a sick drift around a corner back there. He said it was nice.
Oh yeah.
But anyway, so what we gotta do is get this piece off, and then get this piece out, and then grind this down a little bit because it's really rough.
we gave this thing a day.
It might not sit.
It's gonna work today.
Same with this deal. We're gonna have to grind this one down a little bit too. Then we can put the gaskets on, make sure it's sitting nice. No exhaust leaks. That's the plan here. So maybe my car, when I downshift, won't go and yell at me. Hopefully.
The flange, like where the top would be, and I flipped it, and I'm cutting through there, and it's cutting the bolt.
The bolt?
All right. So this is what Chris is working on right there. He's cutting through this, trying to get into that flange to fall off. You got this little setup majigger right going on right here.
Yeah, so don't burn your uncle, blow myself up.
What are you going at it with that now? Oh, he's going at it with the ham bam and then. Ooh.
Let's see if I can get it from here. This is gonna fucking.
Oh, that's doing some damage.
Whoa. The hand tone.
The ham bam machine is going ham.
I need to call a little bit.
What's up, boys? Look at this. The phalange is off,
It's alright.
and we gotta
That's what they make
finally
gaskets for.
putting it on now. Yes.
Where are you putting the bolt? This or that? It doesn't matter.
I'm not going to this part without designing up, but yeah, there you guys go. So they got this one? Right, I have no idea. I'll figure something in. Oh, no. Don't put the fucking washer there. Oh, yeah, put the washer on the other side. Oh. Yeah, this is one hand. Your side's gonna come in. You suppose. I'm not gonna put.
Clean up time. Zach's cleaning up. All right, boys. So here's the rundown of what happened. Don't buy eBay parts. The guy before me, these are eBay downpipes. You could see the gap. These ones up there won't connect correctly, and so it's good for now. It's sturdy. It'll stay in there for a couple of weeks. But in the meantime, I definitely have to buy an exhaust system, and I'm just gonna take it to an exhaust shop. That was a lot of work just to get the downpipes off. I can't imagine trying to get the headers off, which is even worse. And so we're just gonna take it to an exhaust shop when I get those in. But it always sucks when it feels like you just wasted your time, because this might as well have just kept the other one in and waited until I got the new exhaust. But whatever, you live and you learn. Alright, boys, moment of truth. After, like, what is that now? Like, 10 hours? 10 combined hours? 10 hours for 5 bolts. Yeah, it is 2 hours a bolt. Quick baths. Alright, boys, are you ready?
In case it runs us over.
Yeah, you definitely don't want to sit behind it.
Oh, it's in gear. Just so you
I know, I see that. I'll keep it in gear, though.
Here we go.
It's way worse.
What do you think? What?
Anyways, that is the end of today's video of the downpipe install on the Z. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed, you already know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe.
Turn on post notifications.
Turn on post notifications. Das Vidania, and have a nice day.